welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to delete Robinhood account permanently. If you want to delete your Robinhood account permanently, what you can do is firstly empty your account, sell all your stocks or ETFs, or cancel any pending orders or transfer, turn off your cash free features if it is on, and next what you can do is wait 1 or 2 business days for your trades to settle, and next transfer all your cash from Robinhood to your link bank account. Secondly, what you can do is delete your personal data. Open the Robinhood app and tap your profile icon. Go to menu security and privacy, scroll down and tap manage your data. Select request data deletions and follow the prompts. And thirdly, what you can do is deactivate your account. Go to your profile, scroll to the bottom of the screen, tap deactivate account, confirm your decision by entering your password or security code. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.